Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So welcome to a new studio vlog. Today is actually Wednesday and I wanted to do the intro before the weekend and before I get everything set up with the studio vlog. I have a bit of time right now and I wanted to say hi to you guys, to say thank you for entering the giveaway with Artistro from my last video, and also thank you to anybody who has ordered from my shop during my sale. So in this studio vlog I will be painting the desktop wallpaper for patrons. I am also painting a mini original with some decorated insects, but I don't know if I will be filming that. It is very dark outside, the weather is so gloomy and I don't know if I have the time to film as well until it gets too dark. And I will be also packing up Patreon rewards as per usual in my studio vlogs. So for those of you who don't know, Patreon is a platform where you can support me and what I do by pledging however much amount of money you want per month, and you get all sorts of benefits. Some benefits are physical, which I send out through the post office, and some are digital, which you can receive, such as desktop wallpapers or behind the scenes pictures or voting in polls for future products and stuff like that. So if you're interested, I will leave a link to my Patreon in the description box as well. I wanted to show you guys some new products that I will be adding to my shop, and hopefully they are up by now and you can get them. But these are also the Patreon rewards for my patrons, which do receive physical rewards. So first off, I made this die cut sticker with a bird. It's actually a transparent sticker and the colors are so vibrant. I really love how it turned out. I think I have an affinity for bird stickers, and yeah, I really love this one. I also made a new sticker sheet, bit of a more autumny vibe with forest animals. So this is a spread from my sketchbook and I turned it into a sticker sheet. Comes with 5 individual stickers and I think it's really cute. Oh, my cat is everywhere. Thank you so much for your interruption. I hope she doesn't. So anyways, as I was saying, the last new product I will be adding to my shop and as a Patreon reward is this little notebook, which comes in an A6 size and comes with dot grid pages. I really wanted to do some dot grid pages. I think they look really cute and they are easier to use than blank pages if you want to write down neatly or if you want to bullet journal or anything like that. So these are the Patreon rewards for this month. If you're interested in my Patreon, I would love it if you join us there. We have all sorts of cool polls and exclusive content and really cute new products which you can receive. Some are exclusive to Patreon, some will be available in my shop. And yeah, I also wanted to talk to you guys about making new products. So I asked patrons on in a poll what they would like to see as new products, and I put down a bunch of ideas that I had, and Suncatcher stickers were one of them. It got the most votes, but I still haven't found a supplier for them. And if you guys know anybody that does Suncatcher stickers in Europe, that would be really helpful for me. If not, I will keep looking until I find the right one. I also want to make mouse pads and coasters to launch in my shop later this month, and yeah, so I'm getting everything ready to send out to the printer. So I've been busy creating new products, and that's probably why I haven't been filming that much or posting that much on YouTube. And yeah, I'm keeping myself busy. Also, I will be going on vacation in the middle of the month, so I will be leaving for Amsterdam on the 14th of September, so you will probably be seeing less of me this month, but I'm really excited to go abroad. I haven't been since the pandemic and everything. It's been really hard to travel, and we actually got tickets for Greece and we canceled them, and now we decided to go to Amsterdam to have a bit of a break from our routine. Yeah, my cat is very insistent on going outside, so just a second. All right, so many cat intermissions later. So yeah, I'm working on new products. I'm planning for the trip. I will be heading out in Amsterdam. I also have to attend a wedding, so things are pretty chaotic right now. Also at my day job, I have a lot of work to do, and I'm trying to keep everything in control and to have some time off as well. So I hope you enjoyed the studio vlog. As usual, I would love to hear from you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!